jump to the Crusaders. Who wants to be the millionaire? With Fusion as the host.
Okay, so let me tell you pricks the rules. So we're gonna be having 6 questions, starting off with $10 and ending with 1 million. Okay, and for every wrong answer, you're gonna get minus $5,000 deducted from your account. And there are gonna be 3 lifelines, which are audience poll, 5 second Google, and double trouble. So yeah, we're gonna just start with Crimson. Get your ass over here, buddy.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first question for you. Which country was the first man to go to space from? Option A, United States. Option B, Russia. Option C, hands up. Option C, United Kingdoms. Or option D, Uttar Pradesh.
I'll go with option A, the United States.
United States? Okay, let's
Yeah.
lock it in. Wow, would you look at that? It's the wrong answer.
So what was option C?
United
option C
Kingdom.
was
United Kingdom.
Answer is Russia. His name's
Russia.
Yuri
Wow.
Gagarin.
Yeah, the name.
Yep, you fool. Okay, so
Armstrong.
Krim
Yeah.
is on minus 5,000. That's a good start. Next question is for Wizox.
Shit.
Buddy. Which one of the following is the most searched porn title?
Okay.
Okay. Is it option A?
Pretty sure he's
You're
not-
fired. Is it option B? Please help me, cops? Is it option C? Dimitri, get the nukes? Or is it option D? I'm gonna vote for Trump.
Okay.
What are these options?
Okay. I'm not being sexist, but more, male people watch porn. So,
Okay.
except if they are gay, they won't search for vote for Trump. It'll be like vote for Hillary. So that's out. What's the first one? What's the first one? You're fired, right?
Yep.
I mean, that can be a nice role play, but
Indeed.
what's the second one?
Please help me, cops.
Please help me, cops. Oh yeah, yeah. Please help me, cops. You can tie them up and then.
Okay, you're
That'd be
gonna
nice.
lock it in?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the correct answer.
Hey, no, screw this! Screw this! This guy sucks.
So Anuj, so Wizox wins $10. Good one, buddy. Alright, next question. Next question is for Zetsil. Get your ass over here, buddy.
Ooh. Yep.
Who is the
Bring it
founder
on.
of Apple? Is it Steve Harvey? Is it option B, Jeff Bezos?
Hey, what the hell?
Is it option
Where does he
C,
get these
Bill
questions?
Jobs? Or is it option D, Steve Jobs? If you get it
Okay.
wrong, I swear to God.
Why
I
does he
would say
get these
Steve
type
Jobs.
of questions?
Yo, I would
Okay.
say Steve Jobs, even if you deduct $5,000 from it, this
Yep.
is the most funny.
I will go for option D. Okay, I know this is the wrong answer. I'll go for option D.
Stupid.
Steve Jobs.
You sure
You are actually.
you have 3 lifelines? You can use either of them.
Wow.
Hey, hands in the air.
He's actually.
Hands in the air.
Fam,
What
I'm
the
leaving
hell?
if he actually loses this. I'm not even.
You have
Steve
3
Jobs.
lifelines.
Steve Jobs.
Are you sure about that?
Are you
You can't have.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, give me
don't
that $10.
Don't ruin this. Are you sure?
Yep. Anand,
Biggest,
Zetsil, you've got
biggest
one
idiot I've
chance.
ever seen.
I think you're gonna get
Bye.
kicked out of this.
Okay, you know what? Option D, unfortunately, is the wrong answer. Correct answer, my bad. So,
Oh, let's go.
Guys, you should
You
fail.
guys
yep,
suck in
you
this.
got $10, Zetsil. Next question is for Astro. Piece of shit. So, which one of these countries was not a part of the British Empire? Is it option A? Hey, hands up, you piece. I know you. Is it option A, Canada? Is it option B, Falklands? Is it is
What's
it option?
Falkland?
Yeah, it's an island in
Falkland. Falkland.
Falk.
Uh,
Is it option C, Norway, or is it option D, South Africa?
No. Tell him all the countries.
Shut your piece ocean mouth,
Shut the
Zitzel.
fucking
fuck up,
mute
okay?
it.
Hey,
Yep.
deduct 10 for that.
Oh yeah.
Interruption.
What
Interruption.
the
So
hell?
is not a part of the British Empire. Not.
Okay, so it's not option D. What is option A, B, C again?
Option A is Canada, option B is Falklands, and option C is Norway.
No, what is option B?
Falklands. Falklands.
Okay, that's not a real place.
It is, I swear to God.
Falklands.
Yup.
Yeah, it is.
It's an island near South America.
Oh, yeah, it is. You fucking idiot. You just gave out the answer.
No, but I didn't
Okay,
say
I'm
if
gonna-
that's a colony or not. So I just give the location.
Wait, what is option C?
Norway.
Oh, shit.
No, this place looks good.
No.
I'm gonna go there for
Why do I get such a tough question? And he
How
goes
is that a
to
tough
the
question?
pineapple?
It's an easy one, bro.
How is that
Okay,
a
I'm
tough?
gonna go with the Cock Island one.
Option B.
Prove you.
Okay, you know what?
Yes.
Computer, that's the wrong answer. I'm not even gonna waste my time.
Let's go.
You fool! It's option C, Norway.
Norway, exactly. Come, Norway is the closest, so you can.
Yeah.
Okay, that
Yeah.
logic just
It's-
doesn't make sense.
No.
It is.
Fusion. Okay.
Okay, so end of round one. Crimson's on.
Cryptic
You
didn't.
didn't ask cryptic.
What the hell you didn't have?
Forgot about me.
Oh, sorry.
Congratulations.
Okay, you know what? I'm a dumbass. Sorry. Cryptic, buddy boy. Get your ass over here.
Oh no, I'm worried. Yeah, tell.
Oh yeah, this is a good one. Which con?
That's
Oh,
what
hands
she
up.
said.
Yeah. Which continent is the country Bolivia located in? Option A, Asia. Option B,
Yo, this is
South
such an
America.
easy question.
Option C, Europe, or option D, Africa.
No.
None of you give
Lala,
any.
Lala.
Shush. No one gives any clues.
Can you repeat the options?
I don't understand my option.
Option
Repeat the options.
Yeah, option A is Asia. Option B is South America. Option C is Europe, and option D is Africa.
I'm gonna go with option B, South America.
Are you sure about that?
Fuck.
Yes.
Let's lock it in. Is the correct answer, buddy boy? You get $10.
Oh my god.
They're
Okay,
all
so
worth
hard
more
work to
than
get back.
Astro and Crimson.
Yep. There we
Screw
go.
you go. What the hell did Zedsil get? Founder of Apple.
Yeah,
What
because he's
shit?
Zedsil. You couldn't
I don't
understand.
understand why I get history and he gets
It's geography. It's geography, but
You just wait. Zedsil's gonna get
It's
ass
both.
questions. Trust
Why
me.
not?
Okay, so
I-
end of round one. Crimson's on minus 5,000. Great.
What?
Yeah. Vizox on $10. We have Cryptic on $10. Zedsil on 10. Astros on minus 5,000.
Hello,
gonna
Astro.
come. Okay, so next round,
Crimson, it's not a good score.
you might have the possibility of listening to a Mox mom diss track, so don't get it wrong.
question.
Round two, Crimson, buddy boy. Which of the following is not a continent? If you don't get this, I swear to God, you're gonna die.
Yo, what?
Option A, Africa.
Nah.
Nah, shut up, Zedsil. Option B. Option B, Arctic. Option B, Antarctic. Or option D, Australia.
What?
None.
What? Say option B, C, and D again, please.
Option B is Arctic, option C is Antarctic, and option D is Australia.
It's option B, Arctic.
You got 3 lifelines. I don't want you to get it wrong.
I am sure
Oh
it's
my
Arctic.
god. It's Africa. That is Arctic shit.
It's the correct answer, buddy boy. You got 10.
No, that ain't gonna work on me. Screw you.
Okay.
You
So
got, Crimson, you just got $10. Where is minus
Wait,
5,000 and
wasn't it
10?
100? Was it 100? Like,
that's
Yeah,
100,
this
not
is-
10.
No.
shut up,
It's
peasant.
yeah.
Peasant.
So yeah, next questions for Vizox. Are you ready?
Give him something proper, please.
Okay. Hands up. Hands up.
Yeah.
Who is currently the Prime Minister of the United Kingdoms? Is it option A,
Ooh.
Mother
Ooh.
Teresa?
Yeah, that's the
Is it
toughest
option-
Option easy.
Is it option B, Boris Johnson? Is it option C, David Cameron? Or is it option D, Winston Churchill?
Fuck.
Who?
Shit.
Hands up. Hands
Good luck,
up.
motherfucker.
Can I do the 5-second Google? But only after 5 seconds Google.
Okay,
Can
you
I
know
take
what?
that
When
time?
okay,
Hey,
when
he
I
already took it.
I did. I
When-
did.
whenever-
I only opened Google.
yeah, when I'll say start, you gotta do it. Okay,
Okay,
3,
okay.
2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I got the answer. I got the answer. I got the answer.
Ah,
Boy.
sir.
What's
Boris
the
Johnson. Boris
It's
Johnson.
okay. It's
Ma'am,
the
Ma'am, he
it's,
looks like Trump. He looks like Trump.
the Walmart version.
Nah.
Walmart.
Yo, what? Yeah.
Yeah, the
Hey, looks like
Walmart
Trump.
version.
Yeah.
That's the correct option, buddy boy. And yeah, you secured $100. Nice one.
Yes.
So and you lost 1 lifeline, so you got 2. Next we
Yeah.
have Cryptic. This is gonna be good. Cryptic, your question is hands up. Which of the following quotes belongs to Donald Trump? Okay. Is it is it option A? Mexicans are an evil virus of Satan. Is it option B? We will make America great again. Is it option C? My my daughter is hot as fuck, Lamau. Is it option D? Eggless mayonnaise is the best. You'll get one,
I'm gonna go
Astro.
with option B. Let's make America great again.
Are you sure? Because I don't think that's what Trump said ever in his career. I'm pretty sure he said my daughter's hot, fam.
He said that too, but this was in public.
Okay, let's lock it. It's the correct answer. Would you look at that?
Yeah.
You've secured $100.
Yes.
Nice one, buddy. Next, we've got Zetsil. Oh, this is going to be nice.
No, I can't
I
hear.
swear if it's who created
It-
Microsoft.
No. Which of the following social media sites is not owned by Facebook? I don't think you'll get this.
Okay.
Hey, hands up, hands up,
That's decent.
hands up.
That's a nice.
Is it
question.
option A,
That's decent.
WhatsApp? Is it option B,
Okay.
Instagram? Is it option C,
Okay.
Oculus? Or is it option D, Twitter?
I'll go with option C.
Oculus? Okay, let's
Yeah.
lock
I
in.
don't think it
It's
was
the wrong
Oculus.
answer, buddy.
Yeah, it is wrong.
Idiot.
It's
Is
option.
it
It's
is it
Twitter.
Twitter.
It's
It's
Twitter.
Twitter. Well, Zetsil, you've ruined yourself. Okay, last question is for Astro. This is an easy one. Okay, Astro. What is the full form of ICU? Okay. Hey, hands up. Hands up.
Hey.
Peace. Okay. Is it option
We
A?
saw that.
Intensive care uniformly. Is it option B? Intensive care unit. Is it option C? Intensive central union. Or is it option D? Intensive cock upliftment.
This one is so obvious.
Yeah,
Like,
if
why?
you'd
This shut up.
Exactly.
Okay, so
This shut up.
between
How can option D even be
Shut
close?
up. So it's
up.
between B and D. Would you repeat those options again, please?
B is intensive care unit and D is intensive cock upliftment.
Okay. I'd like to go with option D, please.
Intensive cock
God.
upliftment.
I said B. I said
Oh,
B.
B. Intensive care unit. Okay, you've got 3 lifelines.
Write it down.
Yeah, I think you should use one, to be honest.
Yeah. And I
You
think
wanna-
you should go bald. So I'd like to go
Okay,
with
so I
option
think
B.
he's pretty sure of his answer.
Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Clap. Okay, end of round 2. Crimson's on minus 4,900. Vizox is on plus $110 with 1 lifeline gone. Cryptic's on $110 with all his lifelines. Zetzel is on minus 4,900 and so is Astro on minus 4,900. So Crimson, Zetzel and Astro. It's not looking too good for you, buddy boys. Okay, let's start round
Because
3.
they got one question wrong.
Yep.
Exactly. That point system. Minus
Okay,
5,000 for
shut up,
round
just
plus
shite,
10
shut
for
up,
right.
just shite,
Shut up, guys. Shut up, guys.
Okay,
Don't waste
Crimson, round 3. Are you ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hands up. Which cartoon show is banned in China? Is it option A, Chota Beam? Is it option B, Peppa Pig? Is it option C, Winnie the Pooh? Or is it option D, Hannah Montana?
Can I use the 5-second Google thingy?
Why will you use that for this question?
Wait, hands
Yeah,
up,
wait.
hands up.
Wait, I'll open Google. If you want, I can screen share it. I'll just open Google. It's one click.
Wait,
Yeah.
you
Okay,
better
Google's
not
open.
cheat.
Yeah,
Okay,
Google's
ready?
open.
Are you ready? In 5,
Yeah.
4. Hey, hands up, hands up.
And what?
Nah, delete
No,
whatever you
hands
did.
up.
I
Okay,
didn't
ready?
put anything.
When I'm gonna say, I'm gonna do a countdown of 2. At that, you're gonna have to start and count on a 5. Ready? 2, 1, 0. Start. 1.
Hey, no, I wasn't ready.
Hey, hey,
Just start,
what
just
are you
start.
doing, Crimson?
Okay,
Three,
start.
2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. Get out. You are done, boy.
What the heck is this? Oh, is it Peppa Pig?
Are you gonna go with Peppa Pig?
Yeah.
Okay. Welp is the wrong answer, so good.
What the heck? After Peppa Pig's ban in China, 7 other cartoons have been blocked. So it is Peppa Pig.
It's not Peppa Pig you're doing, it's Winnie the Pooh. Because of the fact that their leader, Xi Jinping, looks like Winnie the Pooh, they banned.
Hey, he says Peppa Pig here.
Crimson.
it's okay,
Crimson.
Crimson.
Crimson,
Yeah, Crimson. It's loud.
basically the first show, which was Winnie the Pooh. You are fired, buddy.
It's okay, you get it.
Oh, it's not. What are you doing,
Alright,
bro?
next question. Next question.
Wait a second, let me calculate his points. Okay.
It literally says Peppa Pig here.
It's okay. Wait,
Okay, next we have Vizox. Hands up, buddy. Which among the following video games is the oldest? Is it option A, Minecraft? Is it option B, Halo? Is it option C, Roblox? Or is it option D, Call of Duty?
It's not Halo.
You sure about that, Visa?
It's 100% not Halo.
You got Call of
Minecraft.
Duty, Minecraft, and
Okay, it isn't Call of Duty because I know for a fact Roblox came before Call of Duty. But is it Mine? Nah, I'm gonna go with Roblox.
okay. So Roblox, let's lock it. Goodbye, brother. It's the wrong answer. It's
Is it
Halo.
Minecraft?
It's Halo.
It's Halo.
We have Cryptic. Okay. Are you
It's
sure?
over for you, buddy.
Up. Hands up. Which of the following countries are not a neighboring country of Germany? Option A, France. Option B, Slovakia. Option C, Poland. Or option D, Austria. So wait, not Austria, my bad. Italy. I'm a dumbass, my bad. Italy.
I know Hitler and Mussolini are good friends, so it is
You what, mate?
Hitler and Mussolini are good friends, so they're close. Italy and Germany.
Okay, good
Hitler
logic.
Hitler liked killing Poles, so Poland is close.
Oh my god.
I haven't known Slovakia from Hitler, and I know that France was against Hitler.
Slovakia
Well,
was invaded by Hitler's Nazi Germany, though. Czechoslovakia.
Why are you just telling out the answer, you dumb fuck?
Exactly.
No, he said it wasn't invaded, but it was.
Okay.
That
Why
makes
did
it
you-
harder.
Okay, I will take the. Wait.
I actually know the answer.
Yeah.
You googled it, Vizox. How
No,
do you
I
know
No,
that?
he didn't.
I know the answer because I know Mind Games Perishi.
It's Slovakia. Yeah. Last.
You're gonna go with option B, Slovakia.
Yes.
You got 3 lifelines. Would you like to use them?
Option B, Slovakia.
Okay, let's lock it in and let's check it. Is the correct answer. Nice one, buddy.
Thank
Clap.
you. Thank you.
Fuck. I mean, yeah.
Yep. So
I knew
let
it was
me
Slovakia because Rishi, mentioned it.
let
I
me
tried
check.
to get it wrong.
1000 plus 110, that gives it. Nice. Next is for Zetzel.
Ah, shit. I don't want to lose.
Oh, this might be a tough one. Okay, so hands up. Which of the following breeds does not belong to the dog family? Okay. Is it option A, Roborovsky? Is it option B? Option A is Roborovsky. It's actually a breed, but we don't know. Is it?
Telling in the answer.
Is it option B, Chihuahua? Is it option C? Why does it?
Freaking laugh, man.
That laugh.
Is it option C, Poodle, or is it option D, Chow Chow? Hey, hands up! I see you. Yup. Now tell the answer.
I will, What's option B? No, what's option C?
Poodle,
What's option D?
Chow Chow,
Okay, I'll go with option A.
Roborovsky.
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
You got 3 lifelines. I think you should use one. Sooner or later, you're gonna have.
Nah. Option A.
Okay. It's. Let me check it. It's the correct answer. Miracle of God.
Let's go.
I actually thought you were gonna get
the
it
heck?
wrong. Roborovsky is a
know.
hamster breed. All others are dogs. Shh, I wanted him to
That's a
get
dog
this
breed called
wrong.
Poodle.
Yeah, there
Poodle is
is.
actually a dog breed.
Chow Chow, and it's not Chihuahua, it's Chihuahua.
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 You get the point. It doesn't matter.
Chihuahua.
Next is Astro. Yep. Yo, this is an easy one. I swear to God,
Astro's
if you
watching.
don't get it.
Of course he gets.
He's
Of
watching.
course.
Of course he gets.
Okay, Astro. Name the scientist who discovered the existence of DNA. Hands up! Hands up!
How
And
is
hey,
that easy?
Wait, listen to the option. Listen to the options. I swear to God.
Exactly.
If the op-
Now, if
is it A. Nikola Tesla? Is it D?
Okay.
Is it B. Francis Crick? Is it C. Dr. Megamind? Or is it D. Dr. Nefario? From
that's like double trouble.
yeah, now it should be easy.
Trouble.
You complained of getting
What
all wrong.
was option? What was option A and B again?
Option A is Nikola Tesla, and option B is Francis Crick.
Okay, I'm gonna go with option B, Francis Crick.
Option B, Francis Crick, is it?
he said trick.
That's correct.
He said prick.
Okay, so I think you're gonna
It's
go with
correct.
it's
I'm
correct.
gonna tell
Yep.
it. It's correct. That's a nice guess. I don't want, to blame.
Thank
Nice.
you.
Yep. End of round 3. So we got Crimson on.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer every night.
I'm gonna drink my water because clearly I'm not gonna be the one putting it on my head.
Okay.
You never know.
Crimson,
what?
you're on minus 9,900. Almost at 10,000. Okay, and Vizox is on minus 4,890 because he got this one wrong. You shouldn't have got this wrong, buddy. Cryptic is on 1,100. He's the only one who hasn't gotten anything wrong yet. So Zetsil and Astro on minus 3,990. They've gotten 2 correct and 1 wrong. So now moving on to round 4.
Good job, Astro.
Round 4. Okay, Crimson. How have I missed you? If you don't get this one, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
It's over for you.
What does the L in LGBTQ stand for? Is it option A, lusty? Is it option B, lactose intolerant? Is it option C, lesbian? Or is it option D, long cock?
Option C, lesbian. I am sure I know I have 2 lifelines.
I don't want you to get it
Fuck you.
wrong, so
Just shut up. Screw you.
Okay.
It's
Option C.
lesbian.
It's the correct answer, buddy. Would you look at that?
Yeah.
So let me do the math.
Now you're on positive again.
Oh my God, you Grim, you've come back from the dead. You're on positive numbers now. This is why I said
Screw you,
numbers.
Vice.
Yeah, this is why I said numbers like this. Okay, now we've got Vizox. This should be an easy one. Hands up.
Something like
He's questioning his sanity.
With what equipment was King Louis XVI executed? Is it option A, a cannon? Is it option B, butter knife? Is it option C, a guillotine? Or is it option D, explosive diarrhea?
Now give some options which are a bit possible.
I'm gonna go with option.
Bit,
I'm gonna go with option D, explosive diarrhea.
Okay.
Am I right?
Okay, let's lock it. You can't be asked. It's the wrong answer. How? Guillotine.
No, see. It's 100% not guillotine.
It
It's
is
100% not.
guillotine.
It is.
No.
It is.
We studied in French
What do you mean
Revolution.
how?
Exactly.
No,
Oh my-
he's being
yeah.
sarcastic. He's being sarcastic. He's just
Yeah, he can't be.
Doesn't matter. Just ask the point.
What
Pouring
is he on
water.
now?
Ask the point.
What is this going
No,
on?
I thought the options were pretty obvious. Come on, explosive diarrhea, butter knife. How is that? Okay, fine. Let me. Oh my god.
Butter knife.
Crimson, shut up, man.
Crimson, you saved yourself. Okay, Next.
I'm happy.
we've got cryptic. Crypt to the ick. Hands up. This should be an easy one for all of you. Who is the second most subscribed YouTube channel? Individual YouTube channel. Is it A, Sony TV? Is it B, PewDiePie? Is it C, Markiplier? Or is it D, Mr. Beast?
Easy.
I'll take the 50-50 lifeline.
Okay, yeah, good choice, I would say. So you have used the 50-50 lifelines. The options gone are Sony TV and PewDiePie. So you're left with Markiplier and Mr. Beast.
I'm gonna go with Mr. Beast, please.
Fuck, I made it obvious, right?
Option A, Mr. Beast. Let's
He
lock.
got wise
Yeah,
off.
very obvious.
He was actually confused. It's the correct answer, Mr. Beast, with
Yes,
40
thank
million.
you.
Okay, next question's for Zetzel. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hands
But no
up.
porn.
Oh, what?
The fuck?
Okay, so Edison Cavani, football player, plays for which country?
Yes! He doesn't know it and I know it.
Is it option? Wait, listen. Is it option A, Colombia? Is it option B, Paraguay? Is it option C, Uruguay? Or is it option D, Chile? Chile, child,
Is it
whatever,
child, I guess.
child.
No
Yeah.
way does he know this. No way does he know
Nah, he's not
Come
gonna
on,
get it.
Zetzel.
See, this is why I asked him this.
Clap in the chat.
I'll do it myself.
No, don't do it.
Can I go with 50-50?
Okay, you go with 50-50.
That's,
Okay, you'll go with 50-50. The options gone are Colombia and Chile. So you're left with Paraguay and Uruguay.
ooh.
Okay. I lock option. Okay, whatever. I lock Uruguay, whatever you call it.
Option C, Uruguay.
Yeah.
You might go to negatives because of this. Okay, let's go with Uruguay, and it's the correct answer. I don't know how you got it. It's the correct.
It's because of fusion. He eliminated the worst options.
Exactly.
kept-
You should have kept Uruguay and Colombia.
Yeah.
Nah.
Colombia.
No. I was confused between Chile and Uruguay.
Which of the following deficiency diseases? Hey, hands up! I can see.
Hey, we could see him type.
Which of the following
I was looking at the
Hey,
camera.
Okay, which of the following deficiency disease is caused due to the lack of vitamin B? Is it option A?
What the?
No, look at the options. Is it option A, AIDS? Is it option B? Is it option B?
Next you'll tell the coronavirus.
Is it option B, Ebola? Is it option C, Berry. Or is it option C? D. Scurvy. Come on, we studied this so many times.
Some juicy
Okay, I'd like to
options.
go with the audience.
So Zeds is going with 3 C's. So okay, you got the
Wait,
options.
wait. Even I have to type in my.
It's
I
obvious
can't.
you're not gonna type C, Vizok.
Okay, got it. I
So
can't
all
send
of you
my.
have gone with C.
I can't send.
Okay, just
Yeah.
tell what you
I
want, Vizox.
I type Pornhub.
Okay, so Astro, you've got the following.
I like to use my Google lifeline too.
A second Google. Which of the following deficiency diseases is caused due to the lack of vitamin B?
3, 2, 1. Your 5
One,
seconds.
Searching.
2,
Your 5
3,
seconds over.
4.
Over.
Over.
It's
Yep.
over.
What is this? No, stop coming on
Fuck,
Google.
buddy.
Yep. This is what happened to me. Just
you
Yo,
got
because you
two.
need to know what to search, fam. You just
even-
go with an answer.
I even
Just
told
go
the
with an answer.
question.
Just go with an answer.
I like to go with option C.
Berry.
Yes.
Let's confirm it. It's the correct answer.
finally. Hey,
Oh
how many
my
times
God.
should we say C? Literally, look at the chat. C. What more do you need?
Well, let me check one thing. Plus 10,000. 10, 6. Okay, so end
Okay,
of round
Next
4.
is the last.
Yep,
Now is
next.
the last round, right?
Yep. End of round 4.
Quickly.
Crimson's on $100 plus. Nice one, Crim. Vizox is on minus 9,890. He was actually leading, but then
Yeah.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Cryptic is on 11,000.
Yeah.
Where's 11,100? 11100.
And 10.
Yeah, I don't know how you say it. This Zsil is on
11,110.
okay, 11,110. Zsil is on plus 6,110. Astro is on plus 6,100. So
How am
Vizox,
I below him?
no, just be happy you win the last.
Exactly. You're on plus only mode.
Vizox, if you get this right, 1 million. Imagine.
Oh. Shit.
Okay, so round 5, the last round. So this is the last round, and all of you pricks are gonna be getting the hardest questions I've framed. So you'll be getting options, you'll be getting lifelines. If you get it right, 1 million. If you get it wrong, goodbye. So let's start off with Crimson. Hands up, buddy. This might potentially be the easiest question or the hardest,
Yo.
depending on your knowledge.
Okay.
Who is the 41st President of the United States?
Ooh. Yeah,
Is it option A, Donald Trump? Is it option B, Bill Clinton? Is it option C, Barack Obama? Or is it option B, George Bush?
50-50, please.
50-50 you wanna go with?
Yeah.
You're left with Bill Clinton and George Bush. Obama and Trump are gone.
Can you repeat the question?
Who is the 41st President of the United States? You're left with George Bush and Bill Clinton.
Wait, can I use two shit, what do you call it?
Lifelines.
Yeah, you
Can I
can.
use two lifelines in one? Okay, yeah, audience also, please.
Audience, Robert.
See, Robert Mugabe can't be an option, okay?
Option B, George Bush. Option C, Bill Clinton.
I swear if you guys are lying there.
You've got 2 B's and 1 C. So 2 people for George Bush and 1 Zedsil for
No.
One A.
and Wiseox for A.
Wiseox.
It can't be
No, no,
Donald Trump.
I know the answer and I'm gonna go for it.
See, 3 for B. Zedsil, the only guy for Bill Clinton. Do you want to trust?
Option B, George Bush, please.
So, are you gonna go with B, George Bush?
Yes.
It's $1 million question, buddy boy.
Yeah.
Let's lock in B, George Bush. Is your heart pounding? Do you feel the
Just shut up and tell me the answer.
It's the correct.
Let's go. Yes.
Let's go. You are our first millionaire. First millionaire of the day is Crimson. Okay, next question is for Vizog. If you get it right, you still, you know.
Yeah, you have a chance.
You
You have a
still
chance.
lose. If you're in the negative, you lose. That's it. You just lose.
Okay.
If I lose, the game ends. The game ends if I lose.
Yeah, because no one can go more.
Shut the fuck up, you fucking lady piece of cunt! Go.
Which of these American space shuttles was used in the journey to moon in the space race battle?
Hands up.
Hands up. Yep. Is it option A, Columbia? Is it option B, Apollo 11? Is it option C, Challenger 11? Is it option D, Atlantis?
Yo, fam.
Atlantis sounds like a porn website. So I'm gonna remove that. Apollo 11. Apollo 11. Oh, what is the first one? Columbia. Nah. Take that
Columbia.
out. Ooh, okay. 50-50.
So you're left with Apollo and Challenger.
Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna go with the audience poll.
Oh, I don't think they know, so they might have googled it and known. So let me repeat the question.
Hands up.
Yep, let me repeat the question, audience. Which of the following American space shuttles was used in the journey to moon? Subscribe to Chris. So, hey, Vizox. I see that hand.
Which options are left? Which are?
Option B, Apollo 11, and option C, Challenger 11. Option B, Apollo 11, and option C, Challenger 11. So you've got 3 B's, 4 B's for Apollo
Wait, what's
11.
the question again?
Which of
Nah, fam.
these American space shuttles was used in the journey to the moon? To moon.
It was like a
Option B-
race.
Yeah, between Russia and Soviet Union and America.
Oh.
So America reached moon, Neil Armstrong. So
Yeah.
is it Apollo 11, the space?
Yeah, I'm gonna trust my friends. If they get this wrong, I'm gonna make a diss track on them. Oh,
Are you gonna go with
going with option B.
Apollo 11?
Yes,
Okay, let's lock it and let's check.
please.
Buddy, I would like to inform you that you're the second contestant to be a millionaire. Millionaire. Who's next? Cryptic. Buddy boy, 1 millionth question. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So, hands up. Yeah. This might be an easy one or not. Which one of these countries have been ruled by a monarch at one point in their existence? You look a bit stressed.
Continue.
Is it option A, Russia?
Okay.
Is it option B?
Wait. Is it have been ruled or haven't been ruled?
Have
Currently,
been ruled.
are they? No, not have. Are they being ruled by a monarchy or not?
Hey, that's so easy.
Fine,
Now
okay,
wait.
shut.
Wait till you hear the
shut.
options.
Continue.
Is it option A, Russia? Is it option B, Ethiopia? Is it option C, Saudi Arabia? Or is it option C? Is it option D, South Africa?
Okay.
Fuck this.
I would like to go with the 5-second Google.
Open your tab and do nothing else.
Yeah, wait. I'm only opening my tab, okay? With my mouse.
Yeah.
Hey, hands up.
Yeah. Yeah. Now, yeah. Tell start. I'll.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Which of the following countries are being ruled by a monarch? Russia, Saudi Arabia, Ethiopia, or South
Hey,
Africa?
you're giving him so much time.
By 1,
That's it.
5, done. 5 seconds. Yep.
Okay.
Did you get the answer, buddy boy? It's kind of easy, bro. How aren't you getting it?
I'm gonna go with Saudi Arabia.
Are you gonna go with Saudi Arabia? Hey, I
Yeah.
see the hand. Okay.
I all tabbed. Saudi Arabia.
Okay. Have you analyzed Russia and South Africa?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. We learned about South Africa being a democracy. So,
We haven't learned about Ethiopia. How do you know that's not
yeah,
a
so
monarch?
what? It's a Saudi. I've been to Saudi. Just Saudi.
Wait. Oh wow. You are the third contestant to win 1 million. Now let's check. Celebrate. Oh, what the hell? Why aren't you
Wait,
happy?
I searched South Africa monarch and a guy named King Goodwill
No, that's
Zwelithini Kabekuzulu.
nah present. Now it's being ruled by democracy. Present. Russia's being ruled by Putin.
Oh yeah, then that's easy.
Zetsil. What is the capital of Serbia? Is it option A, Austin? Is it option B, Belgrade? Is it option C, Volgograd? That's how you pronounce it.
It's Valograd, you fool.
Volgograd, sorry. Or is it option D, Amsterdam?
I'll go with the audience poll.
We'll go with audience poll.
Yeah.
I can't vote. My Zoom is
Yeah, but
glitched.
you
There's
guys,
the options.
the
There's
audience
options
shouldn't
first.
Google it. It's their
Tell the
knowledge.
options first.
Yeah,
Tell the
wait.
options first.
Options are. Yeah, don't
Yo,
Google
I
it. None
can't.
of
I
you.
can't vote. I'll tell my vote through my thing because my
Okay.
Zoom is glitched.
Is it option A?
This video is frozen.
Is it option A, Belgrade? Is it option B, Austin? Is it option C, Amsterdam? Or is it option D, Volgograd?
It's Volograd. Vol.
Volgograd.
sake, fam.
Sorry. Volgograd.
I can't Google. It's option D.
Volgograd. Astro Crimson went with
Wait.
Volgograd.
Tell the options again.
Option A, Belgrade. Option B, Austin. Option C, Amsterdam. And option D, Volgograd.
Okay.
Serbia, capital of Serbia. Keep that in mind as well.
Okay, I trust you guys. I'll go with option D, Valograd.
We'll go with option D. Let's lock it in. You, buddy boy, have lost the chance of being a million. It's the wrong answer.
It's A. Oh shit! It's conspiracy theory.
Oh
It's Belgrade, option A.
God.
So, the last question for Astro. Andromeda Galaxy. Hey, hands up. Hands up. You guys check if
He
he's
has used
putting...
all his lifelines, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys check.
Yeah, hands up.
I
Wait.
have my 50-50.
No, you don't.
You
You don't. You
used
used it.
Hey, Zetzel, why don't You shut your
No,
mouth.
just
I
shut
know
up.
what I
Shut
have.
up, Astro. Shut up. You can't
You've used it, fam.
just.
You guys
I
check
haven't used it now.
ICU
did.
full form.
Hey, shut up. I used my Google and I used my audience. I did not use my.
No, you use
You
it.
did.
No, shut
You
up.
used double
use
trouble.
it.
You
You
used
used double trouble.
Double trouble with
Which
audience.
question?
The
No,
same
no, no,
question.
no. We'll see the recording, okay? Easy,
Yeah, see
okay?
the recording. See the recording.
Yeah, okay.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Okay, I like to go with the audience. I like to use my Google lifeline too.
Andromeda Galaxy is how many light years away approximate?
No.
We have
Just give the options fast.
yeah, we have
The
studied
options
this
quickly.
literally. Is it option A? Is it option A 1 million light years? Is it option B 2.5? Is it option C 10 million? Or is it option D 15 million? We have learned this every time in fun facts. Science teachers told us it's
Yeah.
common sense, bro.
Fine.
If he doesn't get it, I will tell the answer, okay? Please.
Okay.
This is the only question I know.
Double trouble, 50-50.
Double trouble. Okay, so you are left with 2.5 million light years and 1 million light years. 10 and 15 are gone.
Okay, I'm gonna go with 2.5.
Are you sure about that? Oh yeah, you run out of lifeline. So,
Yeah.
what
I
were
want
the
Anas to lose.
odds?
It's 1 million. It's 1 million. I want Anas to lose.
All of you have got become millionaires except Zetsil.
Yes!
Anand, remove your headset, remove your headset.
Yeah, your earphones.
Dumb.
Remove it,
Remove
bro.
your headset.
Yeah, just.
Oh my god.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.